Hey guys, welcome to my new After Effects video. In this video, I'm gonna show how to create isometric car animation with After Effects. Let's get started. So friends, vectors from freepik.com. After finish video, I will share all project files and download links. So first one, select this background layer and let's lock. So select this asphalt layer and lock layer. And in this time, let's select this car body too. Let's see. Okay. And link to car body. Then select this glass 1 and glass 2. Link to also car body. And let's go to layer, new and null object. And for move to anchor point center, hold Ctrl double click on behind. Click selection tool. And move to here. Okay, let's change name car control. Then select this car body and select this wheels back and wheels mains. Let's link to car control. Okay, select car control. Let's see. Okay, also select this mirror. Let's link to car body. And in this time, select this car body. Let's press P. Make new part in keyframe and go to 10 keyframe. For shortcut you can use hold shift press page down in the keyboard or click here, right here plus 10 and click OK. And let's zoom to layer. Let's move to down. Okay, go to 10 keyframe again, select this keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V. Select keyframes, make easies. Let's press N and let's animation. Okay, and select this car body, hold shift press R, make rotation keyframe, change rotation -0.5. Okay, and go to here, change 0.5. And go to last keyframe, select first keyframe, Ctrl C, Ctrl V, select keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select this last position keyframe and move to right. Let's see. Okay, select keyframes, hold Alt and move to left. Okay, so let's make loop animation. Hold Alt, click this time icon. Go to play button, property and loop out duration. For down expression, click this empty area. Then hold Alt, click this rotation time icon. Go to play button, property and loop out duration. Click here and let's see. Okay, nice. Not bad. So let's select this last keyframe, move to right a little bit. Okay, that's good. So let's close keyframe settings and go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this ellipse tool and click fill, select none for close inside fill color, click OK and change stroke width 3.5 and let's hold shift, make one circle like this, click selection tool and go to stroke color, change like this, click OK. Okay, not bad. And go to add, select trim paths, open trim paths 1 here and let's try change like this, change start. Okay, and change offset like this. Okay, let's go to here and go to first second, make new path in keyframe and go to 10 keyframe, change offset like this. Okay, let's see. Nice, select last keyframe, move to right. Okay, not bad. So let's select this, move to down like this. Okay, very nice. And in this time, let's go to last keyframe and select this layer, go to edit, split layer and delete. Then select this shape layer 1, let's Ctrl D and move to right. And press S, change scale. Okay, not bad. Let's select this shape layer 1 and move to here, and select this shape layer 2, move to here. Okay, nice. So select these shape layers, right mouse, precoms, and add the name lines, click OK. And let's select work area like this, right mouse, select trim, come to work area, let's see. Okay, let's close composition. And in this time, go to pen tool. Let's make simple masking. Let's make mask like this. Okay. So click session tool and let's make mask for better result. Let's select these points, move to left, and let's select this, delete. Okay, not bad. So select these lines and go to first second, Ctrl D for duplicate, and go to 10 keyframe. Select these lines, move to right. Let's see. Nice. And again Ctrl D, go to 10 keyframe, move to right. Again go to 10 keyframe, Ctrl D for duplicate, move to right, and make someone for loop animation. Okay, nice. And in this time, let's select work area and right mouse, select trim, come to work area. Let's see. Okay, very nice. So select these compositions. Also, we can use expression for loop animation, not composition, but this is way is easy for me. Okay, select compositions, right mouse, again precoms, add name lines, click OK, and close composition. Then let's Ctrl D for duplicate and move to here. Okay, and select these lines. Let's move to behind car body 2. Okay, and select these lines composition 2. And let's press R, chain rotation. Move to here. Okay, nice. Also, let's Ctrl D, move to behind car body layer, and move to here. Okay, let's Ctrl D, move to here. Okay, very nice. So let's make reflection for glass. Select this layer glass 1, and let's right mouse, precoms, add the name glass 1, click OK, and let's go to shape layers, hold this icon, select this rectangle tool. Let's make like this, go to stroke, change stroke with 0, and go to fill. Let's select eyedropper, select this color and change to light version color like this, click OK, and let's click selection tool, change scale, and let's select this rectangle 1, Ctrl D, move to right, change scale, and press R, chain rotation, and move to here. Let's press P, make new position keyframe, go to 10 keyframe and move to right. 6 keyframes, make easies. Let's see. Okay, select this glass layer, Ctrl D, select the shape layer, move to inside, click toggle switch, change none to alpha matte. Let's see. Nice. Back to car and select this glass composition. Okay, nice. So select this other glass layer, right mouse, precoms, add name glass 2, click OK, And back to glass 1, select this shape layer, Ctrl C. Back to glass 2, Ctrl V. And select this glass layer, Ctrl D, select the shape layer, move to inside, change alpha like this. Let's hide glass layer. Okay, nice. And select the shape layer, press P, and select glass shape frame. Let's move right. Okay, back to car and let's see. Nice. So let's back to glass 2 and go to last shape frame, select all layers and go to edit, split layer, delete, select these layers, right mouse, precoms, add the name, reflection, click OK, and back to glass 2 and let's select work area like this. Okay, and let's Ctrl D for duplicate and for endless animation. Okay, this is very easy way. Also again, you can use expression for loop and endless animation, but this way best for me. Let's see. Okay, nice. Let's close composition and make here someone. Go to last shape frame, select layers, go to edit, split layer, delete, select all layers, right mouse, precoms, add name, reflection 2, click OK, and select work area, right mouse, select trim, come to work area, close composition, and make duplicates for loop animation with Ctrl D. Let's select layers, Ctrl D, move to up and move to right. Again, make someone. Okay, nice. So close glass composition and let's see. Nice. So let's make background animation. Let's select this city and right mouse, precoms, add the name city, click OK, and click this icon for see black background, and let's select this city. Okay, and Ctrl D, press P, move to right, and let's link to main layer. Okay, let's Ctrl D again, press P, move to right, again Ctrl D, press P, move to right, and again select these layers, Ctrl D, move to up and press P, move to right. Okay, let's see. Select this first layer, press P, make new pattern keyframe, and go to last second and move to left. Let's see. Okay, let's select this layer, move to left, and select this layer, move to left for attach, and select this layer, move to left for attach, and this, and this, and this. Okay, and let's select all layers without main layer, Ctrl D, and move to right for long rod. And let's move to up these layers. Okay, select this main layer. Let's go to last shape frame and move to left. Let's see. Okay, back to main composition. Let's see. Okay, that's good, but I want to move to this city background to right. Let's select these keyframes, right mouse, keyframe assistant, and time reverse keyframes. Nice. Let's back to here. Let's see. Okay, that's good. So thank you for watching my video, and don't forget to subscribe channel, like video, and please follow me on Instagram. Good luck.